Why, hello everybody. Welcome to the very first week here in Introduction to Criminal Justice for the spring of 2022. This is an online course. The video you are watching is my weekly update. In these videos, I will be talking about what we did last week. Obviously, we didn't do anything in this class last week. Well, you probably did, and I did a lot because getting the courses ready, but there was no class work. And then we'll talk about what's in the week to come. So this time we're going to spend all the time talking about what's the week to come. Let me get out of the way so we can look at the screen and we'll talk about it. So first thing we've got this week is going to be the online orientation. Now, I would suggest watching the weekly video before the orientation, but that way if you have some questions, you'll have an opportunity to ask them. The online orientation will be on Wednesday, and the 19th. It will be at either 11 a.m., 2 p.m., or 7:30 p.m. at night. Now, if you're unable to make any one of these three sessions, then you'll need to contact me by email, and we will work out a date or time where we can meet in the chat room and go over things, make sure everybody's on the same page. Now, to get to this online orientation, you'll just click on the link that will be in the weekly email I've sent out, or also can be found on Blackboard on week one, as I'm doing clicking on here. You will need to put your full name here, the name as it appears in Blackboard. Now, if you'd like to go by something else, if you're known as Joe, and your name is Joseph, you would put Joseph, and then in the middle, in parentheses, Joe Smith, or whatever. It's completely different. Then, that way I know who you are, and I will be able to, have you in there. So you'll type that, you'll click Join Session, and I'm not clicking it now because then it's going to try to take over my microphone and so forth. It's probably going to come up asking you for permission to use your microphone and for permission to use your camera. Click on both of those so that we can see and hear you. Okay, let me close that out and get back to the page. Again, if you are unable to attend one of these sessions, you'll need to send me an email telling me that you can't attend, and we'll have to make an arrangement so that I can get there and everybody, again, is on the same page. Next thing on here, the weekly update will show up here. Now here's the week at a glance. This is what you need to do each week. It will be found here and on the weekly update. We'll talk about navigation in the introductory video so you can kind of look at it. But just to let you know what's due this week, you've got to watch the weekly update video, which you are watching now. Good. You'll need to watch the introductory and the APA plagiarism videos. You'll need to take the introductory quiz and make a 100 on it. That's right, you need to make a 100. I need to know that you are on the same page with me. Don't worry, if you don't make a 100 the first time, you have many opportunities to take it. Hopefully it won't take you many, particularly, the questions are the same, so, it's only 10 questions. So just, if you miss one, go find out the right answer. Then you'll need to participate in the introduce yourself on the discussion board and complete the paraphrase discussion, 2 different discussions. Introduce yourself just like you would in face-to-face class. Tell us a little about yourself and so forth. You'll need to watch the research paper video and then take the research paper quiz. This is another one that you need to make a 100 on. And again, you have multiple attempts. 10 questions again, they're all the same each time, so if you don't get one right, go back and figure out why you didn't get it right. And then you get to select your research paper topic. Of course, you'll have more information about that in the research paper video. And then the last thing I had listed is to participate in that online orientation. Well, that is all we've got. Back to the introductory quiz, I almost forgot. It's being given with the HonorLock system. If you're not familiar with HonorLock, watch the HonorLock video, which will show you how it works. HonorLock works fairly well, but you do need a microphone and a webcam in order to do it. You need to use the Chrome browser. It will not work in any other browser. The introductory quiz will be set up so that you must take it using HonorLock. Not worried about you cheating on the introductory quiz, but I want you to make sure that HonorLock is working for you before you take the first exam. So this is kind of our test of the HonorLock system. Well, that's all I have for you today. Looking forward to working with each and every one of you this semester. If you ever have any questions, again, shoot me an email. Give me a call in the office. My office hours are going to be posted in Blackboard. Generally, it will be 7 to 7 or 7:30 to 8 in the morning, a couple days a week. A couple days from 8 till 9:30. And then Mondays and Tuesdays I'll be here in the afternoon. So, and again, if you send me an email and you can't talk in time of my office hours, I can call you at night. I can call you. I'm probably not gonna call you at 3 o'clock in the morning, but I do get up by 5, so I could talk to you, sometime that early if you're working the night shift and getting off of work at that time. So that's all I've got for you this week. Looking forward to working with you. I will now talk to you later.